Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, I'm here to help you build online income step by step. Today I'll show you 4 beginner-friendly yet powerful ways to start making money online in 2025. Even if you're restarting with zero experience or budget, let's get into it. 1. Freelance work, turning your skills into cash. Freelancing is one of the fastest and most accessible ways to make money online. Why? Because you don't need a business, a product, or even a website to start. Here's how it works. You offer your skills. Maybe it's writing, graphic design, video editing, translation, customer support, coding, and companies or individuals pay you for it. You can find clients on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, and TopTal. But here's the secret most beginners miss. Niche down. Instead of saying, I'm a designer, say I design minimalistic logos for tech startups. It's that specific. It builds trust, and it attracts higher paying clients. Another key is your profile. It's like your online resume. Make it clean, show examples of your work, and write a description that tells clients how you solve their problems. You don't need to charge $100 an hour on day one. Start at a reasonable rate, deliver great work, get reviews, and slowly raise your prices. I personally know people who started with $5 jobs on Fiverr and now earn $5,000 a month consistently. 2. Blogging, build an asset that pays forever. Blogging may sound outdated, but it's actually one of the most profitable long-term strategies if done right. Here's why. One blog post can make you money for years through ads, affiliate links, or digital products. To start, pick a niche you either enjoy or are willing to learn deeply. Think personal finance, health, tech gadgets, productivity, digital nomad life. The more specific, the better. For example, instead of fitness, go for fitness for busy dads. Then you build a website. Use WordPress with a fast theme and basic plugins. Your goal is to create content that people search for on Google. So learn some basic SEO. Write articles like best laptops under $500 or how to start intermittent fasting. Monetization comes in 3 main forms. Ads like Google AdSense or Mediavine once you get enough traffic. Affiliate links, where you recommend products and get paid when someone buys. Selling your own products, like ebooks or digital templates. It takes time to grow, maybe 6 to 12 months. But once your blog gains traction, it's a money machine that works 24/7. 3. YouTube channel, build influence. Then income, yes. YouTube is still one of the best platforms to make money in 2025, and no, you don't need to show your face if you don't want to. Start by choosing a content style. Educational. Entertainment, review-based, or faceless channels using AI voices. B-roll or stock videos. YouTube Shorts are the fastest way to grow right now. One viral short can get you 100,000 plus views in a week. But the real income comes from combining that with long-form content. Here's how you make money. YouTube ad revenue. Once you hit 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours, brand deals. Once you're in a niche and get decent engagement, affiliate links in your video descriptions. Merch or digital products like courses, ebooks, templates. Start small. Use your smartphone. Free editing tools like CapCut or DaVinci Resolve. Focus on clear audio and engaging scripts. Upload consistently. Learn what works from your analytics and don't quit too soon. 4. E-commerce/dropshipping. Your first online store. Let us talk about a method where you can sell physical products without ever touching them. Dropshipping. Dropshipping means you create an online store using Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. You find products on platforms like AliExpress, Spocket, or Zendrop. When someone orders from your store, your supplier ships the product directly to the customer. You don't buy stock up front. You just handle the website, marketing, and customer service. Sounds easy? It's not magic, but it works with the right system. Here's what you need to succeed. A winning product. Something that solves a problem or has viral appeal. Strong product page, high-converting copy, real photos, and clear benefits. Effective ads, mostly on TikTok, Facebook, or Instagram Reels, where you test video creatives and scale what works. The margins can be thin, but if you optimize well and build a strong brand, you can turn it into a serious business, or use the profit to invest in better models like private label or branded stores. So there you have it too, for real ways to start earning money online. whether you want to use your skills, create content, or start a business. Let me know in the comments. Which one are you going to try first? And if this helped you, give it a like, subscribe, and stay tuned. The next video covers even more online income strategies that you can actually act on today.